Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Peshi token. Name of the token is Peshi, ticker symbol is also Peshi. Now this token here is on the Solana blockchain. This is a Solana meme coin, and this looks like a Matt Furie character. There is a lot of meme coins named after Matt Furie characters on their webpage. They show Andy, Landwolf, Pepe, Peshi, and Bird Dog. I just did a video on Bird Dog. Check that out. And around the same time as I upload this video, I'm also going to upload another Solana meme coin called Bubba, which is Pepe's childhood sweetheart. So check out that video as well. But for this video, we're going to be talking about the Peshi token, the info on it, and how you can get it. And we're going to go over the security on this token as well, see if there's any audits or anything like that. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token has a Twitter that I'm going to put up right here on the screen. You can see the contract address is right there, real easy to find, at Peshi token. So it's pretty easy to search that as well. They have a blue verified check mark, 341 tweets. It says the son of Pepe and Shib. And then they have a link to their TikTok. They have a link to their Telegram. And it says here, this is the story of a love, a conflicted love, a love wanted for so long, a love deserved, but it also has a story of a son, the child of this love. His name is Peshi. Peshi has always lived in a family of conflict, but he has always helped his parents in not fighting with each other. He helped all Shibas and Pepes to love one another. So it's a kind of a little weird story that they have on their Twitter there. But anyways, if you wanted to get this token, it is on the Solana blockchain. So first of all, you would need a wallet to store Solana tokens. So like a Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet, Trust wallet, any one of those wallets. You'd fund it with Sol, and you could fund it from a central exchange. There's a list of them in the description box down there, like MEXC Global, CoinEx Global, etc. You could use any one of those. Fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium or Jupiter, and then you would trade your Sol for the Peshi token using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter, or you can find it on their webpage at peshi.wtf, and then simply just buy the token. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes. Hopefully they specify that on their webpage. But you can see their Twitter here just joined in May 2024, and they already have 1,456 followers, 341 tweets, very active on their socials here. I haven't checked out the TikTok yet, but the Telegram, you can preview the channel before joining. They have 2,712 subscribers on the Telegram. That's another great place to see updates regarding this token, just like their Twitter right here. And their webpage has a link to a DEX Tools chart. You can also find this token on DEX Screener, Bird Eye, all different places. You can see the chart that has a contract address right at the top of the page. Their socials. It says Shib and Pepe's child. It actually has an embedded DEX Screener chart right on their webpage, so you don't even really have to leave the webpage. So they have here how to buy on their webpage as well, in case you didn't understand how I explained to use a Phantom wallet and buying Solana and all that type of stuff. They have a tutorial on their webpage And it says you could also use a BANK bot, Unibot, and then they have a roadmap on here as well. So starting with the DEX screener and DEX tools charts, then we got safeguard and detrend, calls and raids, coin market cap, and CoinGecko, and then it says meme. So lots of memes here. So there's one of them image generator things. You know how you could, the bonk whiff hat or dog whiff hat or whatever, tokens. You can add the hat on there. There's the one you can add the Pepe hat. All sorts of image generators on here. There's one here where you can upload a photo, move Peshi around, and change the size of Peshi, the ticker size. You can download image, add tickers, all this type of stuff on their webpage. So basically, they have this type of thing on web pages for meme tokens where you either can copy paste a bunch of memes or you can generate an image, things like that. Add the Peshi character to it. Like you can put the head maybe on your body or some other Conor McGregor's body or something like that. Create your own meme, and then you could use that to kind of shill out the token on your web page if you wanted to. So a lot of meme tokens do that type of thing to help market the token, because whoever controls the memes controls the world. Now, the token price today is about 5.7 cents per token, it says. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $1.2 million today, so that's a very popular token today. They have a market cap of $3.3 million. That's also their fully diluted valuation. Now, they have $208,000 in liquidity on Raydium. And according to DEX Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that they have that there. And so they have here the pair actually for this token is not even that new of a token. It's still doing very well though. Big trading volume today. The pair was created on Raydium 1 month, 19 days ago. And this token's still doing well. So that's good to see there. You can find them on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. It says SolScan address is on here as well. So far they have 3,720 holders according to DEX Tools. And they have 630.3 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 13.21 billion pooled Peshi tokens. Current supply of this token, it looks like they started out with 420 billion or around there, and right now it is 418,315,802,578 tokens. 6 decimal places on this token. On DEX Tools, you can find a quick audit by Quick Intel Security, and there's no warnings on it whatsoever. It also has a DEX score of 99 out of 99, but keep in mind that's just a quick audit. You should always review full audits, check for KYCs, all that type of stuff. Definitely do your own research always before investing in any token. But I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.